This is what people come to me for. I want to give you the insights that I've learned over the last few years by focusing on this. Everybody wants conversion. The first thing that people will say is, I want to make more sales. And I get it. You probably want more sales as well. So that's the first thing. But there are three things underneath that you need to get right. And if you don't get them right, you're always going to struggle with your conversions or what you want to do. The first one is communicate. The second one is connect. And the most important one is clarity. Now, what do these mean? That means that the communication is, what is the sales message or sales offer that you say to people that have them want to buy? You have to get that right. Secondly, is how to attract dream customers. Where do I connect with them? How do I bring them in? And then the third one, which is actually number one, which is who that dream customer is and what urgent problem do you solve? I want to know in the chat, please let me know which one of is the real challenge for you. One, two, or three. While I take a swig of water. We got some twos coming up. We got ones, we got three. Cool. All right. Very cool. I want to share another insight with you. This area here, usually these are the problems. And this is the solution. I can tell you that because the people that I help are always in situations where they cannot communicate and they don't know how to connect. And everything that I do is to help them get clear on the who is the answer. I'll go an opposite way. The answer is who plus what. And even if you think you have it now, if not something's not selling, you probably need work in this area. And then what is always asked is the question, how? How do I communicate, Joey? How do I connect with them? Well, then I go back to tell me who your audience is, and that is where the challenges are.